Guys, so this was my baby fish tank. Guppies, mollies, platies and swordtails baby fish tank. And it's now not that. It's still got some baby fish in. The baby fish are these, which are the fourth last clutch of the Ancistrus babies. And there's 2 of them left in here. There's a couple in other tanks as well, a few in the main tank. But this is the last clutch. So the 4th clutch that they produced, and that's what the babies are that are left in here. But there's also these beautiful little beasties, and these beautiful little beasties here are little tiny baby pea puffers, pea puffer fish, and they are absolutely gorgeous little beasties. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. They're both there. There's 2 there. Look. So there's 3 tiny pea puffers. They will grow to the size of a pea, so about the end of your little finger, or the size of a pea, but at the minute they're about a quarter or perhaps a quarter the size of a pea. Very, very tiny. I did buy 4, but there only seems to be 3 left. But I'm so pleased with them that I've actually ordered some more, so I've ordered another, I don't know how many, 10 I think. So I'll wait and see when they come along. Again, they've got little independent eyes that work independently, and they're gorgeous little creatures. And they're in this tank, and there's quite a few plants in this tank hasn't got a CO2 kit, so it'll be interesting to see how fast the plants grow and whether they grow as well as they do with the CO2 kit. I know what the answer is to that already. There's also a whole load of plants that are out of the water at the back there, and they're pothos, peace lily, and there's a stem of a vanilla bean orchid, and that's in this tank. So it is planted, and the plants, there's a little clump of plants there, and some of them look like they've been eaten, and they have. I tried putting a different sort of purple stem plants into my main tank, and my barbs ate them, so I took them out again. So I put them in here to see if they'll grow in here, and I'm sure they will. The Ancistrus, the baby bristlenose, they don't eat plants really, they just eat algae, and they clear up any detritus off the bottom, so they eat the bloodworms that the pufferfish don't eat and things like that. And there's 2 lots of reddish plants, 2 clumps. There's some just ordinary type pondweed. There's some water wisteria, and there's these different like variegated plants. You can see this really pretty variegated leaf. This, which is a bacopa, and this is really good. It really grows well in all my tanks. And there's some sort of val or long leaf crip, and there's also some stuff down there that grows on a little bulb, so I put one of them in. I'm not too sure if it's a crip or whether it's some other sort of thing, but mainly it's these beautiful little pea puffers, like I say, 3 of them and 2 of the baby Ancistrus. Hope everyone's well, cheers.